Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English Daily, where English becomes exciting. Today, you're not just watching a video, you're stepping into a moment that could transform everything. If you truly listen, this could be the day your life changes forever. I want to talk to you about something powerful, something that separates those who succeed from those who struggle. It's called self-discipline, and if you master it, nothing can stop you. Let me ask you something honest. Are you proud of the person you see in the mirror? Or do you know deep down you could be doing more, achieving more, becoming more? If your answer is, I could be doing better, then listen carefully, because this is your moment. Your life won't change by magic. It won't improve by wishing. It only changes when you decide to build discipline starting today. Stop making excuses. You know what holds most people back? Excuses. I'm too tired, I don't have time, I'll start next week. It's too hard. Let me be honest with you. Excuses are lies you tell yourself to avoid responsibility. Every excuse you make is a brick in the wall that keeps you trapped. Do you want to know why successful people win? It's not luck, it's not talent, it's discipline. They do what needs to be done even when they don't feel like it. They wake up early, they work hard, they stay consistent. While others sleep, they train. While others complain, they build. While others quit, they keep going. Think about Elon Musk. He works 80 to 100 hours a week building his companies. Think about Cristiano Ronaldo. He's the first one at training and the last one to leave. That's discipline. That's what creates legends. Now ask yourself, what's stopping you? Nothing but your lack of discipline. Imagine your future self. Close your eyes for a moment and picture this. You wake up tomorrow morning and for the first time in years, you actually feel proud. You look in the mirror and see someone strong, disciplined, unstoppable. Your body is healthy because you've been taking care of it. Your mind is sharp because you've been feeding it knowledge. Your bank account is growing because you've been disciplined with money. Your family is proud because they see you've changed. You're no longer making promises you don't keep. You're actually doing what you say. Open your eyes. Does this seem impossible? It's not. This life is waiting for you, but you must build discipline to reach it. What is discipline really? Most people misunderstand discipline. They think it's punishment or restriction. But real discipline is freedom. When you're disciplined, you control your life. You decide your actions. You choose your future. When you lack discipline, you're controlled by emotions, habits, impulses. You're a slave to whatever feels good in the moment. Discipline means doing what you should do even when you don't want to. It's waking up when you'd rather sleep. It's working when you'd rather rest. It's choosing long-term success over short-term pleasure. That's power. That's control. That's freedom. Build habits, not motivation. Here's a secret. Most people never learn. Motivation is useless. Motivation comes and goes like clouds. Some days it's there, most days it's not. If you wait for motivation, you'll wait forever. Disciplined people don't rely on motivation. They build habits. A habit is something you do automatically without thinking. You don't need motivation to brush your teeth, you just do it. You don't need motivation to eat breakfast, it's automatic. That's what you must do with your goals. Turn them into habits. Choose one small action right now. Maybe it's exercising for 10 minutes, reading 5 pages, studying English for 15 minutes, waking up 30 minutes earlier. Just one thing, make it so small you can't make excuses. Then do it every single day for 30 days. No exceptions. The first week will be hard. Week 2, it gets easier. By week 3, your body expects it. By day 30, it's automatic. Now you have one powerful habit, then add another, then another. That's how you build a disciplined life, one habit at a time. Win your morning, win your life. Your willpower is strongest in the morning. It's like a full battery when you wake up, but it drains as the day goes on. This is why successful people do their most important work first thing in the morning. If you want to exercise, do it in the morning. If you want to study, morning is best. If you want to build your dream, work on it before anything else. When you win your morning, you win your day. When you win your days, you win your life. Remove all temptations. You can't build discipline in a bad environment. If junk food is in your house, you'll eat it. If your phone is next to your bed, you'll use it. If distractions surround you, you'll get distracted. Design your environment for success. Put your workout clothes ready the night before. Delete social media apps from your phone. Remove everything that makes bad choices easy. Make good choices automatic. Make bad choices difficult. This isn't weakness. This is strategy. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Everything you want in life lives outside your comfort zone. Better health, more money, stronger relationships, all of it requires discomfort. Most people run from discomfort their whole lives, and that's why they never grow. But disciplined people choose discomfort on purpose. They know that temporary pain creates permanent gain. They know that easy choices make hard lives, while hard choices make easy lives. So they wake up early even when bed is comfortable. They exercise even when tired. They work even when they'd rather relax. You must do the same. Stop avoiding hard things. Start embracing them. Every time you feel resistance, that's your growth moment. Every time you want to quit, that's when you're getting stronger. Push through the discomfort. It's temporary, but the results are permanent. Discipline builds self-respect. When you lack discipline, you lose respect for yourself. You know you're capable of more, but you're choosing less. You know you should be working, but you're wasting time. You know you should keep your promises, but you keep breaking them. This creates guilt, shame, low confidence. But when you build discipline, everything changes. You start respecting yourself, you feel proud, you walk taller, you speak stronger. This self-respect is more valuable than money because it changes everything: how you think, how you act, how others treat you. And here's the beautiful part: when you respect yourself, others automatically respect you too. They see your consistency, your strength, your word means something. That respect opens doors, creates opportunities, attracts success. The compound effect is real. Small actions done daily create massive results. One day of discipline won't change your life. 1 week won't either. But 365 days of discipline, 5 years, 10 years, that changes everything. Imagine improving just 1% every day. After 1 year, you're 37 times better. That's the mathematics of consistency. Most people quit because they don't see instant results. They work hard for a week and expect transformation, but life doesn't work that way. Results come slowly, then suddenly. It's like pushing a heavy car. At first, nothing moves. You push and nothing. But if you keep pushing it, eventually rolls. And once it's rolling, momentum takes over. Stay disciplined even when you can't see results. Trust the process. Trust that every single day of discipline is building something powerful. Even if invisible right now, you will fail sometimes. Let me be clear. You will have bad days. You will break your discipline. You will skip workouts, waste time, make mistakes. This is normal. This is human. Everyone fails. The difference between winners and losers is not failing. It's what happens after failure. Undisciplined people fail once and quit forever. One bad day becomes one bad week, becomes giving up completely. But disciplined people fail and start again immediately. They don't wait for Monday. They don't wait for motivation. They start right now in the next moment. Discipline is not perfection. It's resilience. It's falling and getting back up. It's making mistakes and learning. It's having bad days but not bad lives. So when you fail, and you will, forgive yourself quickly and start again immediately. Discipline creates freedom. People say they don't want discipline because they want freedom, but they're backwards. Lack of discipline is slavery. You're controlled by emotions, cravings, impulses. You do whatever feels good now and regret it later. That's not freedom, that's prison. But discipline gives you real freedom. Freedom to choose your career because you built skills. Freedom to be healthy because you took care of your body. Freedom to achieve dreams because you did the work. Temporary discipline creates permanent freedom. Temporary comfort creates permanent struggle. Choose wisely. The 5-minute trick. Here's a powerful technique. When you don't want to do something, promise yourself just 5 minutes. Don't want to study? Just 5 minutes. Don't want to exercise? Just 5 minutes. Starting is the hardest part. Once you start, you usually continue. But even if you only do 5 minutes, that's still a win. You kept your promise. You built discipline. You stayed consistent. 5 minutes every day for a year is 30 hours of progress. That's how small actions create big results. Surround yourself with winners. Look at your friends. Are they disciplined or lazy? motivated or negative, growing or stuck. You become like the people around you. If your circle is undisciplined, you'll be undisciplined too. Success requires the right environment. Find disciplined people, learn from them, surround yourself with them. And if that means leaving toxic friends behind, do it. Your future is more important than their feelings. Find accountability partners who will check on you, who will push you, who will not let you quit. But remember, ultimate discipline comes from within. You want to reach the point where you don't need external pressure, where you keep promises because you respect yourself too much to break them. Believe in yourself now. You have to believe you can build discipline. Nobody else will believe it for you. The world is full of doubters who will say you can't, you're not strong enough, you'll fail. Prove them wrong. Believe in your potential. Believe you can achieve anything. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school team. He could have quit, but he didn't. He worked harder, became disciplined, became the greatest. Failure is not the end, it's the beginning. Every successful person failed multiple times. The difference is they kept going. Don't wait for perfect timing. Start now. The perfect moment doesn't exist. You'll never feel completely ready. There will always be reasons to wait. But disciplined people don't wait. They start now, today, this second. Stop saying tomorrow, tomorrow never comes. Today is all you have. Choose one small habit right now. Commit to 30 days. No excuses. This is your training ground. This is how you build the discipline muscle that will change everything. Reprogram your mind daily. Your mind believes what you tell it. If you say, I can't, it believes you. If you say, I'm lazy, it believes you. So change what you tell yourself. Every morning say, I am disciplined, I am strong, I am capable, I keep my promises. Write these words down. Say them out loud. Repeat them until you believe them. Your mind is like soil. Whatever you plant grows. Plant discipline, confidence, strength. Stop planting doubt, fear, excuses. Visualize your disciplined life every day. See yourself waking up early with energy. See yourself exercising with a strong body. See yourself working with focus. See yourself achieving goals. Feel the pride. Feel the confidence. Feel the respect. If you can see it clearly, you can build it. But visualization alone isn't enough. You must take action. You must actually do the work, build the habits, stay consistent. Dreams without discipline remain dreams, but dreams with discipline become reality. Practice gratitude while building. Don't forget to be grateful for what you have while building what you want. Every morning, write 3 things you're grateful for: your health, your family, another day to improve. Gratitude keeps you motivated, keeps you humble, keeps you moving forward. All right, this is your moment. If you've watched this far, you're serious about change. You're ready to build real discipline. So here's what happens now. You make a decision. Will you stay the same, or will you change? Will you keep making excuses, or will you take action? Will you keep breaking promises to yourself, or will you finally keep them? The choice is yours and only yours. Stop settling for average when you're capable of extraordinary. Stop accepting mediocre effort, mediocre results, mediocre life. You were born for more. You have more inside you. You can achieve more, but it requires discipline. Every single day, no excuses, no exceptions. You think you're giving your best? You're not. You're capable of so much more. Every time you want to quit, push harder. Every time you think, I can't say yes, I can. Growth happens when you're uncomfortable. If it's not challenging you, it's not changing you. The clock is ticking. You don't have unlimited time. Every second counts. Every day matters. Stop living like you have forever. You don't. Start living like today is all you have, because it is. Make today count. Build discipline today. Start right now. You see disciplined people and think they're special. They're not. They just made different choices. They sacrificed comfort for growth. They chose discipline over laziness. You can do the same. Nothing is stopping you except you. Your past doesn't matter. I don't care how many times you failed before, how many times you quit, how many promises you broke. Today is a new day. You can start fresh right now. You're not defined by yesterday. You're defined by what you choose today. Take full responsibility. Stop blaming circumstances. Stop blaming others. Stop blaming your past. You control your future. You decide your actions. You choose discipline or you choose excuses. No more blaming, no more complaining, just action, just discipline, just results. Let your results speak. While others talk, you work. While others make excuses, you make progress. While others quit, you keep going. Don't worry about proving anything to anyone. Just stay focused, stay disciplined. The results will prove everything. Celebrate small wins. Every time you wake up early, celebrate. Every time you exercise when you don't want to celebrate, every time you keep a promise, celebrate. Discipline is built on small victories. Acknowledge them. They're building your future. Here's your final challenge. After watching this video, write down one habit you will build starting today, just one. Then commit to 30 days. Tell someone about it. Make it real. This is not just motivation. This is your transformation beginning right now. You have one life. Don't waste it. Dream big, work hard, stay disciplined, never quit. The world needs your greatness. Your family needs your success. Your future needs your discipline. Everything you want is waiting, but you must take the first step. Stop making excuses. Stop waiting. Start now. Build discipline every single day. Work when others sleep. Stay focused when others quit. Keep going when others give up. The journey is hard, but the destination is worth it. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. Now go build unshakable discipline. Go create the life you deserve. Go become unstoppable. You are capable of amazing things. Now go prove it. You are disciplined. You are strong. You are unstoppable.